What's up, and welcome to Matrix Uploaded, the only show that allows you there at home to get all the distinctions you think you deserve. I go by the name of Umbuyisela, and guys, you know, each and every day we'll hook you up with the Uploader countdown, and today it is standing at 71 days left until you at home, sitting on your couch watching Matrix Uploaded, trying to gain something, start writing your final examinations. As you know, it is the quarter-final phase, and you know it's a Tuesday, and each and every Tuesday we always deal with the physical sciences, and we have Otavi here in studio to help us out. Seeing good, it is snowing outside. I hate snow, first of all. It is cold. I'd rather be home.
Well, it's snowing because I am doing science, so let's make the most of it, okay?
It is raining.
It is
because
raining, guys. So I hope you guys are ready, all warm. Get your coffee, your tea, because this week we have another two schools who want to qualify for the semi-finals, but there is a catch as always. They have to battle each other for the whole week and get the most points by the end of the week, so they can stand a chance of being named the MU 2012 school champs. But remember, guys, the quiz games are faster and harder. But it doesn't end there. If a school wins during the semi-finals, they then move to the final round and then stand a chance of being named MU school champs for 2012. But there can only be one winner.
And there can only be one winner. Guys, do remember that the Matrix Uploaded Provincial Tour is underway. Check out our Facebook fan page, Matrix Uploaded SABC1, to see which province are we going next to. Well, guys, we as the SABC would like to thank our viewers for your loyal support. We value your opinion and have opened up avenues for you to share your thoughts with us. Be heard, comment on our programs and schedules by sending emails to mysabc@sabc.co.za. You can also share your comments on our social media networks that are appearing at the bottom of your screens. Guys, be sure to let us know how we can keep on being #1 in entertainment. And now, guys, without wasting any time, let's see Uguti, I'm consistent to it. So I as brainy as they told me Uguti they are. How are you guys doing?
We are fine.
Nyapila.
Yeah.
What's the energy level? I know it's snowing outside, but I need your energies. You should act like students who are eager, who are hungry to get those distinctions. Are you excited to be here?
Yeah.
Okay, so Sandile, wena unjani?
I'm cool.
Uzizwa kanjani ukuthi isikole nje siyaphela very soon?
I feel very happy.
Oh, happy.
Yes.
So namhlanje uzomncedisa umlebehengu ukuthi isikole senisiwine or
we will help her.
Oh, okay.
Awuzomsiza.
Okay, mlebehengu.
Okay.
Kiyabona ka di hairstyle, upreparela matric dance.
Ay this year so ke batla fela ba smart.
O batla ba smart. Fela nyana.
Ay fela maybe.
So today la leader, the trailer behind the all letang litlilo tlo bapala.
Isn't a leader last time, it's a leader right now.
Okay, let's find out ukuthi ama competitors doing ayayivuma lento. How you guys doing?
Fine, sir.
Simphethe undaba ezinhle no Busani. How you guys doing? So where is Enka?
Enka is in Mzimhlope, Middleland Zone 11 now.
So guys, nina niya leader, the trailer behind you, or nani nizali kuzodlala.
The objective is to lead at the end of the day, so we gon' lead.
But and sound confident. Yeah, zingathi let me practice le moto enizala. Which the objective is to sound good. Oh, anizwe kazini. But tell me,
you need that.
How's the snow treating you?
The snow?
Yeah.
Can we just move on, please? Because today, our fantastic and very, very smart, who is warm at home right now, physical science teacher, will take us through percentage composition and batteries. And the viewer question is, the percentage composition of copper in copper oxide is A, 79.9%, B, 75.2%, C, 63.5%, or D, 69.9%.
Well, guys, do tell us what you think. The correct answer is on our Facebook fan page. Tabi will read it towards the end of the show. Be a good student and answer the question. Right now, it's Katsaga TK for the first lesson of the day. TK, take it away.
Grade 12, grade 11, grade 10 physical sciences learners, you are welcome. My name is Tinyiko Kosa, better known as TK. I'm bringing to you lesson number 29, and we are talking about percentage composition, and from percentage composition we're going to do some stoichiometric calculations, and from there we're going to close the lesson by looking at batteries again for grade 12. So everyone's catered for from 10 to 12. You stay there, you learn with me, have your pen, your calculator, your page ready, because we shall be doing quite a lot of calculations here. So let's start. Now, by virtue of us talking percentage, in your mind you should be thinking the 100%. Something to do with the percentage would have something to do with 100%. Now, we're talking about percentage composition. In other words, we want to know how much percentage of a certain thing is available in a sample or in a particular amount of a substance. Now let's have a look at this. This lesson is going to take an approach of working questions and answering them, because that's how we can learn from this type of lesson. Let's have a look. Calculate the percentage composition of each element in sodium carbonate. And sodium carbonate, the chemical formula is that one, Na2CO3. The first thing that we need to know is to know what is the molar mass of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, the molar mass is, you've got 2 sodiums, so it's going to be 2 by 23 plus 1 carbon, so it's 12, just 12, plus 3 oxygen, so it's 3 by 16. I think you should remember that all these numbers here is what we call relative atomic masses, which we find from the periodic table. You must be able to use that periodic table. And as we are working on this lesson, make sure it is handy. You are having it with you. Okay, when you work it out, you get it to be 106 grams per mole. Okay, now it means we'll be able to find the percentage sodium that is there. How do we do that? The mass of sodium. Mass of sodium, 2 sodiums is there, so it's 46 over 106. That is the total molar mass times 100%, and this should give you, what do we get there? It's 46 divided by 106 times 100, and what do we get? The answer is 43.4%. Okay, and the next one is that of carbon. Carbon is only 12 divided by 106 times 100, because we want to get the percentage. That should be equal to 12 divided by 106 times 100. And what do we get there? The answer is 11.3%. And lastly, we're looking at that of oxygen. Oxygen is 3 by 16, which is 48 divided by 106 times 100%. And what do we get? Let's see. So that is 48 divided by 106 times 100, and the answer is 45.3%. Okay, now this one was 11.3%, can't remember, and this one was 43.4%. Let's have a look at it. So yes, definitely, then you add all this, you should get your 100%. Okay, so that's how you work out percentage composition. Let's see if we can do one more. Determine the percentage composition, okay, of nitrogen and hydrogen in ammonia. First step, do you still remember that? It is to find the molar mass of ammonia. 14 for nitrogen, 3 by 1 for for hydrogen. 14 plus 3 gives you 17 grams per mole. Then percentage of nitrogen should be what? 14 over 17 times 100. Then the answer there would be what? 14 over 17 times 100. The percentage composition of nitrogen, it's more. It is actually 82.4% nitrogen. Then hydrogen, percentage of hydrogen, it's what? NH3, so it's 3 into 1. This is 3 out of 17 times 100%. And what do we get there? That is going to be 3 over 17 times 100%, and we get it to be 17.6%. So with 82.4%, you add the 2 there, you should be able to get your 100%. Okay, that brings us to the end of this section. I'm coming back with more. Stay tuned.
Now, guys, this week, Matrix uploaded the quarter-final phase, guys. Not forgetting what the two schools are battling it out, which is Mshugantambo and Anchor, guys. But before we continue with the action, we have exciting news for you guys there at home. On the 1st till the 6th of September, a spring show is taking place at the Tshwane Event Center in Pretoria. Our sister program, Living Land, which plays on SABC2, will be there this year. The spring show will exclusively be an agricultural show. If you're interested in a career in farming, make your way there.
Yes, now Mbui, I'm sure the people at home want to know what's the catch, right? Because there's always a catch. Well, since we love seeing you guys get uploaded with education and knowledge, for the next few weeks, we'll be running an awesome competition, and you guys can stand a chance of winning 2 free tickets to this year's spring show, where you will find the ins and outs of agriculture and farming. And if you win 2 tickets, you can give me one and I'll be your date, because I would love to go. So Mbui, please tell them how they can win these tickets.
Well, Tavi, it is plain and simple. All you have to do, guys, is SMS AGRI and your name and contact details to 33129. Each SMS will cost you R1.50, and free SMSs do not apply.
Yes, guys, so I will be waiting. I am dying to go. It sounds really, really exciting. And do remember that if agriculture is what you hope to go into after matric, then this is definitely the competition for you.
So, Tavi, now moving on to education. Your question.
Once again,
yes.
Kenya Mbui. Guys, the percentage composition of copper in copper oxide is it A, B, C, or D? Please let me know what you guys think. Facebook is waiting. Come on,
and
give
guys,
me your answers.
Facebook fan page, we want to see your answers. You guys are lazy these days, you know, only 4, 5, 6 people are commenting. Hell no, you need to comment on those because they benefit you. They don't benefit me and Tabi at the end of the day. So guys, right now it's the second lesson of the day. So TK, take it away.
Welcome back. We're continuing talking about composition of substances. This time, we're going to talk about how to determine what we call empirical formula from a given sample. And we always make sure that we take a sample of 100 grams and then we analyze it. Why 100 grams? I'm going to explain here, because everything is given to us as percentages. So if it's 100 grams, we can actually take our percentages as the actual masses of those components of that substance. Now let's have a look. A sample of a certain substance contains 56.5% of potassium, 8.7% of carbon, and 34.8% of oxygen by mass. Determine its empirical formula. Empirical formula is the simplest possible formula that we can get. Okay, now let's work on it. The mass for these percentages, like I said, because it's a sample of 100 grams, can become our masses. So the mass for potassium is 56.5 grams, for carbon is 8.7 grams, and for oxygen is 34.8 grams. Now, if I want to work out the number of moles, remember number of moles is mass over molar mass. So I can say that the moles for potassium, it's 56.5 divided by the molar mass of potassium is 39, and I can get that. So 56.5 divided by 39, and then the answer there is I've got 1.45 moles. Okay, for carbon, it's 8.7 grams divided by the molar mass of carbon, it's 12. And how many moles do I have there? 8.7 divided by 12, and the answer is 0.725. 0.725 moles. Okay, and then down here I've got that of oxygen, 34.8. okay, 34.8 divided, the molar mass of oxygen is 16, and what do I get? 34.8 divided by 16, and what's my answer there? 2.175. Now, which one is the smallest here? Simplest ratio. Which one is the smallest? This is the smallest. So I'm going to divide all by that. So I have here 1.45 divided by 0.725, okay, and then I'll get a ratio. This one, it will be 0.725 divided by itself. It's going to give me 1 definitely. And this one will be 2.175 divided by 0.725, and I'll get an answer. Let me work it out. From the top, 1.45 divided by 0.725, it's 2. So that is a 2. And then the bottom one is 2.175 divided by 0.725, and the answer is what? It's a 3. Now, what does this mean? It means that the empirical formula for this molecule KCO, it's 2 there, it's a 1 there, and it's a 3 there. So the full formula should be what? The full formula should be K2CO3. Look at what we came up with. So beautiful. What is that molecule there? What is that substance there? This is potassium carbonate. Potassium carbonate. Okay? And that is the molecular formula or the chemical formula of potassium carbonate. We could work it out from simple calculations from the given percentage compositions. Now, quickly, let's do some stoichiometric calculations. 500 grams of sulfur dioxide gas reacts in excess oxygen. How much sulfur trioxide will be formed? Okay? Now, what we need to do here is to know that mass is conserved. The mass you start with equals the mass you end up with. Why? Let's find the mass here. The mass is 2 into sulfur is what? Sulfur is 32. Okay? 32 plus. Oxygen is what? Oxygen is 16. Okay? Plus, here is 2 into 16. That mass should be conserved when we come this side. Okay, 2 into what? Into 32 plus 3 into 16, covered like that. Okay, so let me work it out quickly for you. So it's 32 plus 32, 64. 64 times 2 is 124 plus 32. This should give us, this is 48 plus 32 equals, okay, times 2. What do we get? This is 160. Okay, so this is 160 if you like. This is 124 plus 32 is 156. 156. Okay. I need to come back to this. I don't have much time left. Let's meet in the next section.
Well, guys, more lessons to come. But right now, it's time for the first quiz round. Guys, it's very simple. When a question will be given out, 2 questions will be given out, and you'll have 30 seconds to answer each question. If you get the answer correct for each question, you get 3 points. But the fastest hand to press the buzzer with the correct answer, you'll get the bonus points, making your points 4. Not forgetting about your cue cards. Do not press your buzzer before you have your answer, and pick up your cue card first, then press the buzzer. Otherwise, I shall disqualify you. Rules are very important in this house. You ready?
Yes.
Mshuantamu, you ready?
Yes.
Anka, you ready?
Yes.
Guys, this is your first question for today, and your time only starts now. Calculate the molar mass of nitrogen dioxide in grams per mole.
Is it A, 30, B, 46, C, 15, or D, 26?
Well, guys, what are your answers? There's no teamwork happening. Guys, what's up with you guys?
There's no teamwork.
It is petty because you have to work with each other in order for you to get the correct answer. Am I right, Tabi?
Yes, the ones on the calculator, the ones drawing pictures. I want to see what these answers look like.
And your time is up. Unfortunately, Mshugantambo will forfeit